If you're interested in roller skating or you are a roller skater, it's super important to know how to maintain your wheels. So in this video, I will be showing how to clean your wheels and the bearings. So stay tuned. You will only need a few items for this, starting with 100% acetone, a jar, warm soapy water, a wide 3 skate tool to take off your wheels, and Bone Speed Cream to provide lubricant to your bearings, and warm soapy water so your wheels can soak. So the first step you will need to do is use your Y3 skate tool to take off your wheels. You're going to use the 1/2 inch side of the tool and turn it counterclockwise to unscrew the bolt and get the wheels off. And you can see just how nasty these are. So this is how your bearings will look if you skate for a long time without cleaning them. It's pretty bad. So this is how it looks like when you take both sides of the bearings out, or what my bearings look like. In order to get the bearings out, you can put the wheel on the axle and pull upwards until it pops out. If you have a bearing press, which runs about $40 to $50, you can do that as well. It might be a little bit safer. Okay, so now I have all 4 of my wheels ready to be put inside of the water. So the needle will be used to pull out the bearing protection cover. Okay, so I'm just going to pop it out like so and put it to the side for now. So I will do the same to the rest of the bearings. So in total you will have 8 because each wheel has 2 bearings. Pop out this little part here. So once I have all 8 of my bearings and I have all 8 of my protection covers, I will put the protection covers in just some warm soapy water. So this will just be in here, and I'll let those, really get clean. Just a regular jar or anything you can use, and we're going to be using 100% acetone. So I'm going to let the bearings sit in here for 10 minutes. Once I pull the first set of bearings out of the acetone, I apply Bone Speed Cream to the inside of the bearings for lubrication. Only 2 drops is needed. I then spin the bearing a few times to evenly spread the speed cream. Lastly, I push the protection cover using the Y3 tool just because it's easier. So you sort of put the bearings back into the wheels the same way you took them out. You want to use the axle to place the bearing upside down so that when you look at it, the red lining is facing outwards. You want to push the wheel into the bearing and you will hear it pop right back in. Just a little bit of elbow grease. Once you put the bearings back in, you can go ahead and screw the bolts right back on. So now you can see that the wheels are spinning much better and much faster than what they did before, and they are nice and clean.